So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make this e-commerce website right here. Super clean, super simple, so easy to do, it's unbelievable. Let's get started. What's going on, guys? So today I'm gonna show you how to create your very own e-commerce website. So if you're trying to do drop shipping, then this video is perfect for you. And also, if you're trying to build your own brand, sell your own products, definitely stay tuned. So the first thing we're going to do is go on to Shopify. So I'm gonna include down below a 14-day free trial. And do know that this is an affiliate link, which means I'll receive a small commission if you guys decide to use it. And it costs you guys zero and pretty much is free. So once you're onto the website, all you need to do is enter your email address and then we can get started. Now you're just going to have to type in a password and then put your store name. So now this is just some feedback for Shopify, so simply just fill this out. Now here you just got to put all your information and then I'll see you guys once I finish.